prayer plant propagation progress. Gonna set a nice little wintry mood here. I only light 1 wick at a time because they last longer. Hey guys, today I am doing a very requested video. You guys have been asking me and leaving me comments about the prayer plant, so I'm gonna do a quick update on that today. I did a video a while back where I propagated my beloved prayer plant that is my prized possession. It's a little propagation and you guys have been asking for updates on that, so I'm going to show you the progress on the mother prayer plant that I took the babies from and also how the babies are doing. So let's just talk about the plants. So I almost got so distracted eating these that I didn't film this video. Things are dangerous. If you have a Costco near you, just go get the big bag. They're non-GMO corn pop chips, not sponsored, just a really good snack. Things are like, if you like peanut butter Captain Crunch as a kid, these, what is wrong with my speech every time? These things are made with like just non-GMO, what is it, non-GMO corn. They're gluten-free, they're made with peanut butter, peanut flour, peanut powder, and corn. And that's it. And they're so good. That's all I have left. And we bought the bag 2 days ago. Second bag. All right, plants. This is my prayer plant, obviously. This is my mother prayer plant that I took the clippings from, and it is doing just as good as ever. I mean, I don't really have anything to complain about. Looking amazing. I do have some like browning on some of the leaves. I had a couple little ones that didn't make it back here, but a couple browning on the tips, but that's probably just from times when I didn't get to watering it fast enough. But it has recovered perfectly from the propagation and is just, it's still growing, you guys. It's just got new leaves like every day. New leaf here, it just spit out some new leaves. This plant is just insane. It's crazy, it's just crazy. Crazy as a plant can be. I'm scared to even actually put it on the table because where I keep it normally is on a at the top of a bookshelf, or no, it's not, top of a shelf, kind of like hanging off the corner. So I don't actually really feel comfortable having it on the table flat, so I'm gonna just, this is the first cutting that I planted from my propagation. It's that way. And I actually have another new leaf coming out here. I think when I planted this originally, when I took the cutting, these were the only 2 leaves on the plant, and so I think these 4 plus this one have all grown since I've planted it, pretty much, or since it was cut off from the mother plant. This one is the one that got chewed on a little bit by my cat Travis. Doesn't seem fazed by it. When it gets a few more leaves on it, I'll probably end up cutting that leaf off just so it looks nice and pretty. Looks amazing. And thinking back, I believe I actually ended up putting this plant in water to propagate. I'll have to look back. I think I did an update video before when I was talking about how it just wasn't doing as well in the soil as the other ones that were growing roots in water, so I threw it in water, I'm pretty sure, and then planted it. I will correct myself if I am wrong on that. I think I did water propagation with pretty much all of these, and this one I planted after it had decent roots, which I'll show you on the next one. This is some more of the cuttings that I've been a little slacky and lazy with, if I'm being honest. There have been a number of times that these cuttings have dried out. The water has just gotten too low because I was so busy and I didn't see that the water evaporated that much, and so they've been on the struggle bus the whole time. They've been in water pretty much, but they are making it. So yeah, this one is doing a lot better, and this is actually all new growth that showed up in the little water propagation jar. You can see it's got nice roots, looks healthy. I think there's a new leaf starting to grow out of the top. This one hasn't really grown anything new besides like the stuff that's growing in water, but getting good roots, so I'll probably go ahead ahead and plant this soon. Not really sure how I'm going to plant it. I think I'm unfortunately gonna have to put these leaves under the soil just because of where these roots are growing out, but we'll see when I get to that. This one is not doing as well. Still has some roots, but the leaf actually just died like the other day. So I'm gonna keep it in water, see if it keeps growing roots. Maybe I will plant it and see what happens, but I may just toss this aside and cut a new one because I think I have plenty at this point. So I will show you guys some close-ups of those plants in a moment, and that's pretty much all I have for today. Prayer plant propagation progress. So I guess if you guys have any comments, questions, feedback, all that stuff, feel free to leave it in the comments below. You can find me on Instagram at simplecaresteph or my website, simplecareproducts.com. Check out my blog for recipes and wellness tips. Please remember to like this video and subscribe. Remember to turn on notifications so that you actually get updates when I post new videos. And that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful rest of your day. This is the best candle ever. I'm not here to like push Bath and Body Works because, you know, no comment, but it's my favorite. Made with essential oils. It's not that bad.